UDP leader and MDA spokesperson Paul Lyngdoh on Thursday informed that the Hspdp, which is a constituent of Regional Democratic Alliance, have expressed its willingness to withdraw support from the alliance. Lyngdoh said that it would be better only if the Hspdp withdraws, as the alliance could manage only 5% of the total votes. He also said the emergence of the VPP as a party is a watershed moment in the political situation of Meghalaya.
Possibility. Yeah. First, its unwillingness to continue with the RT.
So, will it not hamper your...
You might say so. We might think that it's better that we work different ways, since we could not touch 5%, reach 5% of the total votes this time. Probably had we contested as UDP alone, we could have crossed that. So these are all in the realm of the probable. But I'm saying that the VPP's entry into electoral politics is a welcome sign because it marks a watershed moment in Meghalaya's polity, where the plurality of regional parties is a confirmed fact.
The Labour Party is